It is the point of the video. This is gonna be a clip of the song Kevin Gates. Sally. Alright. I can't pause it and play it at the same time because we already playing on the pause it, so yeah. Yeah. So sorry. The point of this video is that girls say men are dogs. They do say that. But dog spelled backwards is God. Oh! And girl spelled backwards is lurgs. Wait, hold up. Let me think about that. Actually, it spells lurigs. I just wrote it down. Like, my handwriting is messy. Like, it is. Girls equals lurigs. However you pronounce that. I don't know. But y'all girls need to think about that. Dog spelled backwards is God's. Not like Jesus' form or something. Just like God's. Not like the God, the man upstairs, or Jesus or anything, but just God's. Jesus knows what I mean. But so yeah, y'all girls need to think about that. That say men are dogs. I'm not saying all girls say that. I'm not saying that, but some girls say that. So y'all need to think about that, girls that say men are dogs. Goodbye. So that's all I wanted for today. I had this on my mind like